Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. This is our 345 tutorial, so you can watch all the other tutorials also to learn the Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane, so we will select here the exit plane, rotate the view. Now here take the circle command, select the center point, make here a circle of diameter 78 mm. Here we'll make one more circle of diameter 30. Okay, go to dimension. The center to center distance between these two circles will be of 40 mm. Okay, now here go to horizontal constraint, select the center point, select the center point. Now go to line command, make one joining line here and similarly one joining line here. Okay, go to tangent, select this line, select this circle, select this line, select this circle. Now select this line and select this circle. So this line will be tangent to both the circles. Okay, now here go to circle command once again, make one circle at this center point of diameter 12. Okay, enter. Now here from this center we will make one more circle of diameter 56 mm. Enter. Now here I want two more circles at 45 degree. So here go to line command, select this point and here select this. Okay, and here we will make a center line and escape. Now go to dimension. Here we will define the angle as 45 degree and escape. Select this line, make it construction. Similarly, we will select the center line. We will drag this up. Now select this line, make it construction. Go to circle command, make a circle on this point of diameter 12 mm. Similarly, we will make one circle here. So go to line and make one horizontal center line. Okay, and escape. Now select this center line, make it construction. Go to the mirror command, select this circle, go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now we want this to be a center line or you can say a construction line. So we are selecting this circle and click here to make it a construction geometry. Okay. Now here go to trim this profile, trim this and trim this also. Okay, and trim this also. Go to dimension, define this. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Now finish sketch. Here go to extrude, select this profile, select this profile. The whole profiles we will left open. Now here the extrude dimension will be of 20 mm. This will be a single side extrude towards upside and press OK. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command. From this center point, make here a circle of diameter 20. From this same center, make diameter 30. Okay, finish sketch, go to extrude, select both the profiles or here go to extrude, select this center profile. Okay, now here we are going to take extrude of 65 mm towards upside and press OK. Okay, now go to extrude 2, select sketch 2, we'll turn on the visibility. Okay, go to extrude. This time we are going to select the inner circle, the 20 dia, and here we'll take cut. So it will be a through cut from bottom and press OK. Okay, when I rotate the profile, you can see the cut profile at bottom. Go to home. Now select sketch 2, turn off the visibility. Now here we are going to construct a new plane. Go to part 1. We are going to construct this profile now. Okay, or first you can make this profile. Go to part 2. Here select this face, go to create sketch. Okay, now here in part 1 you can see this profile will be made around along this circular profile. Okay, go to part 2. Take this circle command, make one circle here of diameter 80 and from same center diameter 60. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select this center point, select this point, go to dimension, select the center and select the center. Here the dimension will be of 90 mm. Okay, now go to line, make here a center line about this point and similarly here. Go to trim, trim this complete file and escape. Okay, now select this line, make it construction. Similarly, we will select the top line, this line, make it construction. Now go to line command and make it a close profile from this side and similarly close profile here. Now finish sketch. So we have a half of the circle profile. Go to extrude and here flip the direction and here we will take extrude of 30 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now go to plane, go to offset from plane, select this face, here we will take minus 10 mm and press OK. So this will be a new plane. Now select this plane, go to create construction, go to line command. Now here we will make a joining profile. Similarly from here also a joining profile. Go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this profile, select this line, select this profile. Similarly select the line and the profile. Okay, so these both will get constrained. Go to arc command, take 3-point arc. We will select this end point and we will select here this end point and make a close profile here. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile. Okay, you have to make similar profile here as well. Go to top view, rotate, go to the sketch, arc command once again. Okay, so here we'll make this arc here as well. Okay, and escape. Finish sketch, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, go to home. Now you can see the close profile. Rotate the view and here we will take a extrude of 10 mm and this will be a joining profile. Okay, and press OK. Now select plane 1, right click and turn off the visibility. Okay, now here select this face, go to create sketch, take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension, the dimension from this center will be of 40 mm. Okay, the width will be of 16 mm. Okay, and the cutting depth here will be, this will be 25 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point, select the center point, finish sketch, go to extrude, take here cut and here we will take depth of cut as 6 mm and press OK. Okay, now here we have constructed the top profile. Now we are going to construct a rib profile between these two. Go to part 1. So we have a rib profile here. Okay, go to part 2. Here go to origin and here we are going to select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Now escape. Okay, we are going to take line command once again. Here we'll select this corner and make one line here, one line here. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, and make one joining profile here and similarly we'll do it like this side and make one line here. Okay, escape. Now here we have a breaking line, so we'll join these two. Okay, first we will define the angle. Go to sketch, go to dimension. Here we are going to give an angle between this face and this line of 110 mm, 10 degrees, sorry. Okay, and from this face this will be at depth of 2.5 mm, and here this will be at a depth from the outer face. So skip. First we are going to go to project geometry, project this face. Now go to dimension, define this distance as 2.5. okay, and escape. We have taken the 2.5 inside as to make it a proper joining profile with all the profiles. Now finish sketch. Okay, go to extrude, select this profile. Okay, we have a open profile till now. Okay, this was open from this side, so now we will join this. Okay, finish sketch, extrude. Now you can see the extrude is taking, and here we will take symmetric. Here we will take distance. Okay, it will be distance. This will be joining profile here. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. Now here you can see one thing. We have taken this inside from here and from here. Okay, to make it a proper joining profile. And here also we have taken little bit inside and press OK. Okay, now here you can see this is a close profile from all the ends. This we have done to make it a proper joining. Go to 3D model, take fillet, and here when I put fillet, so it will take the fillet properly. If the profiles are not joined properly, so you would not be able to provide the fillets. So separate fillets will be applied, or on the edges the fillets will not work. Okay, press OK. Go to home. Now here I'll define the appearance. So for the appearance you can give it a cyan. Okay, or I've taken here a blue color. Okay, now here we have a cut profile. Go to part 1. So we have a through cut over here, a slot cut. So go to part 2. Here we will select the XY plane, go to create sketch. Here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension. Here from top, this will be at a depth of 30 mm, and the depth of this rectangle will be of 18 mm, and here the width will be of 12 mm. Go to the vertical constraint, select this point and select the center point. Finish, take extrude, take here symmetric, and here we will take cut, and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. So this will be the final output. Okay, now you can see the cut profile. Now go to home view, go to 3D model. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.